Are you paying attention to how LinkedIn operates? Are you paying attention to your ability to get introduced on LinkedIn? I've got a really cool little tactic to show you. Hang tight. I'm going to show it to you next. So check this out. I'm going to go look at a profile. Let me go look at Reva. So I'm looking at Reva's profile. She's second level to me. I have 8 mutual connections. But check this out. Typically what I would do is click on those 8, go look and see who I know that may know Reva, and I would message, call, or email them and ask them for an introduction. But I got another way of doing this. It may be really beneficial for you. Check this out. Go over here to messaging. By the way, this only works on desktop, doesn't work on the mobile app. I already tested it. Click on messaging. Look here at the top. View connections to Reva. What does that mean? Click on that. Oh, look, there's my 8 connections to Reva. Better than that, I can see the only person who is somewhat active on LinkedIn right now is Janet. She either has mobile notification turned on or she was on LinkedIn and I think it's 3 hours. Can't remember when that happened. That's interesting. Let me go look at somebody else. Give me a second. Let me go look at Megan. Now here's Megan's profile. Look over here on the right. By the way, Megan and I have 59 mutual connections. Now the app Connect to Megan only shows me 8. But of those 8, Kristen is on LinkedIn right now. Riley has had LinkedIn open recently. Lofton has had it open recently. Mallory has had it open recently or has mobile notification turned on. And Sid's on LinkedIn right now. Kristen and Sid are on LinkedIn right now. If Megan is someone I want to connect with, then I'm going to send a message to Kristen or Sid right now and ask them if they can introduce me. Are you paying attention to the changes that are happening on LinkedIn? Did you see that one? Is that a game changer for you? I'm Teddy, your LinkedIn strategist, trainer, and coach. Bam! I hope this is helpful for you.